In Ontario, where heavy rains and rapid snowmelt are common, a reliable sump pump is a must, not a maybe. Huh?
That was good.
Terrible. Okay, we'll start it. What does a sump pump do? A sump pump removes excess water from your basement or crawl space by pumping it safely away from your home's foundation. It kicks in when there's flooding risk, like during spring thaws or heavy storms, and helps prevent damage to your home. Signs your sump pump needs maintenance. Not sure if your sump pump needs attention? Watch for these warning signs. Unusual noises or vibrations, running constantly or too often, visible rust or corrosion on the pump, musty smells in the basement, or if it hasn't been checked in over a year. If you notice any of these, it's time to call your local plumber for a full inspection. How often should you check your sump pump? We recommend inspecting your sump pump twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. If your home is prone to flooding, quarterly checks are even better. During a typical inspection, your plumber will test the float switch, inspect the discharge line, clean the pump inlet, check the power and battery backup, and then run a full system test. Can you maintain your sump pump yourself? Yes, some basic maintenance like cleaning debris or checking the plug is DIY friendly. But when it comes to electrical work or signs of failure, trust a licensed plumber. It's more affordable to maintain your system than to fix flood damage later. A sump pump is one of your home's first lines of defense against flooding. Don't wait for a problem. Book a maintenance check and stay ahead of the storm. Need help? Affordable Comfort is here for homeowners in Simcoe County and beyond. Contact us today to schedule your sump pump maintenance. Thanks for watching and have a great day.